Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. Today we will learn text automation. In this video, we'll see how to read and write to text file. So we are using the here activities read text file and write text file activity. So let's go to the UiPath and say these activities. So I opening UiPath Studio. So here in the main function I'm using the activity. So firstly I'm using here input dialog close because I want to take input from user. So I am input dialog box. Okay, so in this I'm writing info label, please enter any name, please enter any name. Okay, so this is right in the double quote. Okay, and stored in the any variable. Control K name. Okay, so after that we are using read text activities. Read, go to the activity panel and write read text. Okay, firstly we are using write text. Write text file activity. Okay, so here asking the text file name and whatever you want to write in the text and write to the file name. So you can select here the file. So here we are creating the example simple txt. Okay, and here passing the variable name that is stored in the variable. So now name written in this text file simple.txt text file. So now I'm using here read text file. So before reading text file I want to use another activity, that is a append line. So here the code is file is same, using the same file, that is a simple, selecting all. Okay, now coming, copy this text file and paste it here. Okay, and the here in quote appended double quote append appended colon plus name. plus name. So now this, in the first line, uh, your name is written, and the second line, mm, written the appended plus your name. So this is text coming in the second line. So using this append activities, we have changed the line of the row. So now I am reading that text file and populating the message box. So here, pasting the same text file, and this this activity, we have to create a new variable, control K, output. Output. Okay, and after that we are using message box activity. In message box, printing the output. Okay, now control S and run this file. You can see the output. They are entering the Raju Ranjan Kumar. Okay, you can see here Raju Ranjan Kumar, appended Raju Ranjan Kumar. So I hope you understand both the activities. This is a very simple activities. We are starting the string manipulation. So this is the first program for string manipulation, how to read text file and write in the text file, and how to append the line in the text file. These are the activities using here. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.